Assalamu alaikum. This is just a quick video of what to do when you open my anki flashcards, as despite its greatness, its user interface is not that friendly, unlike something like Quizlet, yet despite that it's superior to Quizlet in every single way. So all you have to do now, of course I'm showing this on a computer by the way. On iPad this is something else entirely, but I'm going to do this from a computer perspective, or if you're using a laptop you know what to do. So because then it's the same kind of the same process. You just have to look for the options in iOS and Android. And before you even open my file, you have to have Anki downloaded anyway. So the first thing first is that when you open my deck, you're gonna go to the OSPI deck. And when you go to the OSPI deck, you want to make a custom study. So you're gonna click on the deck and then click on custom study. And then you click on study by card state or tag. Click on all cards in random order, and then you see this option right here, select X amount of cards from the deck. You want to type right here 9999. The reason why is because you want to have the maximum amount of cards from that deck, so none of it is missing. For the OSPI of reproductive, I have a total of 88 cards, so that's when you know you have all the cards. And then you click choose tags. Oh yeah, click choose tags. Now this option right here will appear. You can ignore the tags, it's irrelevant. And then voila, you got 88 cards. And then from that point on, you can click on study now, and there you go. You'll have each card in front of you. Click space, you'll have the answer. Now, if you want that answer or this flashcard to appear in 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20, whatever. But if you don't want that flashcard to appear ever again, click on the end option. It will not show the card ever again. If you want to undo, like if you want to go back to the previous flashcard, there's something on the keyboard you could type Ctrl plus Z. And it will undo or go back to the flashcard from before. Taban in the real OSPI won't be like that. If you want to zoom in, do Ctrl plus. This is over on your computer, just in case. But the point is, you're going to be answering every flashcard like this. And once you finish, you're probably going to have this message right here. Congratulations, you finished the deck. If you want to practice all over again, then when you click on custom study, you see this option down below, it's called rebuild. Click on it and it's going to be rebuilt all over again. So you can click on rebuild. You can click on empty, by the way, which will finish the card immediately if you want to. But if you want to do the card all over again, do rebuild. Now just one last thing just for you as a participant. You see this option setting, this is for custom study. Now it's appearing on my other monitor, so don't worry. Now for this, the only relevant thing you want to know is this option right here. These options right here are basically how you want your cards to show up. Do you want it to be randomized, which is by default, by the way? Do you want your cards to appear in a random order, or in order added, or all the scene first, براحتك? Or you can just leave it as it is. This is an optional thing that you want to look into. Now there's many other things about Anki, but it would take a while to explain. But that's pretty much it for a participant. And if you want to ever delete the custom study section for OSPI and look at other decks, then once you finished, go back to decks and click on this symbol right here. Now of course the symbol is going to be different. I have pretty much customized logos here, so don't worry. But it will show the same options right here. Same options. Click on delete and there you go. And you can do the same process I mentioned all over again for any other decks like these. And that's pretty much it for the Anki tutorial. Anki, it's a tutorial, yeah.